Yes, it's gonna come.
So hi, my name is Iraklis Labropoulos. I'm part of the Two Mono Channels team, which is the team responsible for pretty much designing all the technical infrastructure for the Greek Pavilion. What we have actually done is come up with a solution utilizing audiovisual equipment, software programming, and some custom controller mainframe, essentially manufacturing, to realize the imagination and kind of the idea of three young architects who would actually represent Greece to the Venice Biennale of Architecture. It's a dark space. There's a map on the wall, quite abstract lines that define Athens with clearly marked red grid points on the map. On the floor on the other side, there is a direct representation in a one-to-one relationship of all of these grid points. And in half of these grid points, you have headphones hanging from a metal mesh in the ceiling, where sounds that have been recorded in these grid points in the real map, in reality, in Athens, are being played. So one can actually go in the space, pick up a pair of headphones, and just listen to sounds of places in Athens and various areas, and really kind of get a feeling of the diversity of the city through these recordings.
Yes, it's gonna come. Yes, it's gonna come.
On the other half of the grid points, we have 25 screens, 25 monitors actually, located on top of prisms. They are meant to play videos of various areas in Athens. Now, the way that this works is that when someone enters in the space, the monitors are off. And when someone approaches the prism, where each of the 25 monitors is actually located, the monitor is meant to turn on and immediately show the video that has been recorded in the respective area in Athens. What the visual cue in this case is for someone to understand where he is that we have divided the map in 25 areas, and there is a one-to-one relationship between the 25 areas and the 25 prisms, so that when you go close to a prism, the relevant or the respective, let's say, area on the map lights up, and you suddenly know where you are. It has been a really challenging project for us, putting together kind of an interdisciplinary team of people with various skills that we put together in the audiovisual, acoustic, interactive, and electronics domains. We are very, very happy with the result, assuming that it works. Cross fingers. Come on and listen. Thanks.